Okay, so this will be the part 2 of my last video, which was the sausage and french fries cooking outside, and I'm still outside. I'm just going to be showing you guys actually how to steam potatoes. So just stay tuned, keep watching, and that's just on period. But before I get into it, let's do an intro, okay?
Renanation. Renanation.
What's good? What's your poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Today I will be showing you guys how to steam potatoes, and that's just on period. From my last video, I told you guys I will be doing a separate video so I can get into detail. So yeah, so the ingredients you will be using will be right here, okay? I'll actually enlarge it, but it's gonna be right here as well, okay? Okay, so first things first, you want to clean and wash all your potatoes, get them prepped, and once you do that, you can go ahead and shape and size whatever kind of french fries you want to do. You can do long potatoes, square potatoes, heart potatoes, whatever you want to do. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is just go ahead and cut them right in half of the potato and do the traditional way, which is always everybody use this way, and that is the rectangle, okay? Quick disclaimer, you do not need a specific type of potato. You can use any kind. I'm just going ahead and use the kind I have on hand. After you done cut your potatoes, you go ahead and rinse them, soak them, whatever you want to do to clean them potatoes. Okay, so first things first, you actually want to go ahead and heat up your pan. Of course, I put mine on high because it takes so long to actually do anything. So I'm actually using the same butter from last video. Okay, whatever, butter flavor, boom. So you spray it on there, make sure you get a lot, just not a lot, but just enough, you know. So after you done cut your potatoes up and everything, cleaned them, did what you had to do, you go ahead and just lay them on there. Now with potatoes, you're gonna have to cover it up and let them actually steam and get all the heat and everything on it. So it actually is gonna take a little minute for them to even be done. It's gonna be like mashed potatoes or something, you know, but not really mashed potatoes because they're gonna be whole, okay? But they're gonna be cooked, so that's a good thing. So that's what I'm actually gonna do. Like towards the end, you can actually start putting seasoning on it or whatever you want to do, but I'm not gonna put nothing on it because I want to put like ketchup or like, you can put anything, okay? I mean, I don't really have a lot to tell you guys in this video, but hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click that notification button, and that's just on period. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys a video of me eating these. So that's it. I'm just gonna put the lid over it, let it sit for a while till they start getting soft. But if you want to, you can just move it around. You ain't got nothing else to do. Keep moving it around or whatever, making sure everything getting touched on, and that's just that. I'm gonna be back. Okay, you guys, so I am back with a knife. I'm kidding. I'm gonna show you guys my little steamed potatoes. They're actually just sitting here because I wanted to let it sit. And as you can see, it's actually steamed. It's not fried or anything. And actually, you can see where the knife at is steamed. And you can eat them regular, just like potatoes. It tastes like mashed potatoes. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a plate and taste it. Well, I already tasted it, but I'll show you guys better. Boom. No, I see you. These are actually the potatoes. And all you gotta do is put some little ketchup on it, okay? And then boom. That's all we doing. We're gonna use a knife because I don't know why. Something I wanted to show you guys. I'll taste just like potatoes. I'm getting mashed potato vibes, but it's not french fries, but it's something. Okay. But I just wanted to show you guys that. I actually let it steam for like 30 minutes. nothing major. So if you guys want to try this, go ahead, boo. Period. But make sure you watch them, because depending on what you got your stove on, because you do not want to burn nothing. It's not going to burn, but it's just going to get really, really soft like mashed potatoes. But this is not like, I didn't let it get like mashed potatoes, but it tastes like mashed potatoes in the middle. But I'm going ahead and end this video out. And that's just on period. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click that notification button because it's there for a reason. And why not? You're here, I'm here, and you made it to the end of the video, so why not? But I took pictures. Okay, we're just gonna get into it. Peace. So what you want to do is add the oil. You want to step back because it might pop. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to check if the oil is ready. Just pop a little water. You see the little water in the tap? You see that?